Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. So today in this session we are going to discuss about the prehistoric period of history. Yes, as we know, history is divided into three parts: prehistoric, proto-historic and historic period. अब जब हम बात करते हैं हिस्ट्री की, okay, when we talk about history, so the most important thing with respect to history in UPSC examination, that we need to understand these story, and from stories take out the concepts and lessons. Getting my point? So when we talk about ancient history, which is divided or classified into three parts, that is prehistoric period, proto-historic and historic period. Clear? When we say prehistoric period, that means the time period before writing was there. Getting my point? That means where written records are not available. Are not available. That means writing was not evolved. So in this time period, we will not be having written evidences. Getting my point? We are dependent on the archaeological facts like stone tools, getting my point, potteries, etc. So they are, so in this time period, the most important thing that we need to understand, most important thing, that is sites. So in this prehistoric period, stone age will be there. Stone age. Proto-historic period means here, that means writing was developed. Writing was developed, but we are unable to decipher. But unable to decipher. Clear? So like Indus Valley civilization has written script, but we are unable to decipher. That is why it is called as proto-historic. So here example IVC period. Clear? Now historic period, where written records are available, foreign accounts are available, coins are available, archaeological evidences, everything is available. Clear? This is called as historic period. Now in this session we are going to start with prehistoric period. Now prehistoric period can be divided into three parts. So the first one is Paleolithic period, another is Mesolithic, and third is Neolithic period. Clear? Paleolithic. Paleo means old, lithic, stone. So it is also called as Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age. Meso means middle. Lithic stone, this is also called as Middle Stone Age. Neo means new. Lithic stone, so this is also called as New Stone Age. Now when you read book, you will get different timelines. Clear? But the Paleolithic time period in India starts from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Clear? Mesolithic time period from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Neolithic 8,000 BC to 3,500 BC. Clear? Now, so ये जो Stone Age है, Stone Age represents what? Stone Age. Stone Age gives the message. Message of what? Message of evolution. Evolution of human beings. How human beings are evolved. How tools are created. Getting my point? How daily life has been changed. How cultural life has been evolved. Clear? So stone gives the evolution message of evolution of human beings. Now, let me tell you, evolution of Earth was around 4,600 million years ago, or you can say 4.6 billion years ago. Clear? And the crust of Earth is evolved into 4 stages, and the fourth stage is called as quaternary. And this quaternary can be divided into 2 parts, 2 epochs: Pleistocene Holocene. Pleistocene starts around 20 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Pleistocene is also called as Ice Age. That means extreme cold climate where the earth was covered with ice. Holocene starts from 10,000 BC till now. That is warm climatic conditions. Clear? Now, life on earth, life on earth evolved around 3,500 million years ago, and this life was limited to flora and fauna. Clear? And gradually around 6 million years ago, you'll see that human type of evolution took place. So the first thing is called as Australopithecus, and around 2 million years ago, Homo habilis are found. Homo habilis, hominid kind of evolution. Clear? That means Homo habilis means four-pawed animal. Gradually, that Homo habilis started erecting, became Homo erectus. Homo erectus means upright man, सीधा आदमी. So brain size also became large. Getting my point? Then gradually you will see Homo sapiens came into the picture. Homo sapiens with large brain size. Getting my point? That means wise human being. Wise human being. Clear? Now, so the first age is Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period. Now, what is the time period of Paleolithic? 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. Clear? So, what was the climatic condition? अभी मैंने बताया climatic condition will be extreme cold. Why? Because of Pleistocene epoch. Clear? Pleistocene, that is ice age. And 5 lakh to 10,000 BC, it is a very long time period. That is why Paleolithic is divided into 3 parts. Divided into 3 parts. Now, what are those parts? Lower Paleolithic, Lower Paleolithic age, Middle Paleolithic age, and Upper Paleolithic age. Now, what is the timeline of Lower Paleolithic age? So, the timeline here is 5 lakh BC to 1 lakh BC. Middle Paleolithic age 1 lakh BC to 40,000 BC, 40k BC, and Upper Paleolithic 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. Clear? It is a human evolution. Clear? Now, this Stone Age, in Paleolithic age, Stone Age, you will see that the life of a man was surrounded by stone tools. They used to live inside the caves or open areas. Getting my point? So their life was surrounded with stone. It is a human evolution. How? For example, earlier mobile phones were very big and thick. Today, SIM mobile phones. SD cards were used to be very big. Today, nano chips. Similarly, in Paleolithic period, you will see big rough stone tools. Irregular shape, blunt. By the time period will reach to Neolithic, the stone tools were small, sharper. This is called as progressive evolution. Getting my point? So here in Lower Paleolithic period, you'll see blunt, irregular shaped, stone tools. Stone tools were rough. Stone tools were rough. No proper shape was there. Getting my point? Humans lived in open or in caves. In Paleolithic period, humans used to live in open or in caves. What was their occupation? Their occupation was hunting, gathering. Getting my point? Clear? So these are the overall features of Paleolithic. Then in Middle Paleolithic age, what are the changes you are going to witness? Now one more thing, in Lower Paleolithic age, Homo erectus were there. Homo erectus were there. Homo sapiens कहां पर हमें मिले? In Middle Paleolithic age. Homo sapiens began appear. Clear? Now here you will see that in Middle Paleolithic age, when Homo sapiens came, their brain size were also large. Getting my point? So then you will see improvement in vocal cord also, communication also. Getting my point? So Homo sapiens. Now here in Middle Paleolithic age, the most important discovery by Homo sapiens or Paleolithic man was discovery of fire. Here discovery of fire. Now UPSC will ask the evidence. Cite Kurnool caves. Kurnool caves, Andhra Pradesh. People learned to make fire. Now in Middle Paleolithic age, people started cooking the food. Getting my point? Fire was also used to chase the wild animals. Getting my point? ये सारी चीजें. In Middle Paleolithic age, the tools, अब देखिए tools में evolution कैसे होगा? Here rectangular shaped tools. Rectangular shaped tools. This was the important discovery, or you can say important evolution. Getting my point? In Paleolithic age, unpolished stone tools were there. Clear? So that is why you'll see here irregular shaped stone tools. But in Middle Paleolithic, rectangular shaped stone tools were there. Clear everyone? Now, when we say, now what kind of tools are here? When we say stone tools were rough, example क्या है? Example. Now what kind of stone tools are here? Like cleavers, choppers, etc. Here stone tools, यहां पर कौन से आएंगे? Flakes. Stone tools like flakes, burins or blades. Getting my point? Borer, ये सारे stone tools. Now in Upper Paleolithic period, so we are moving towards Mesolithic now. यहां पर और evolution दिखेगा. Triangular shaped stone tools. Triangular shaped stone tools. Getting my point? Example, blades, pointed tools, and stone tools were small as compared to Paleolithic period. Clear? That is why here you will see this kind of evolution. And also the most important thing, beginning of रॉक आर्ट. इस टाइम पीरियड से हमें पेंटिंग्स दिखेंगी. कहां पर? एग्जाम्पल, भीमबेटका केव्स, MP. Clear? These are the features of, as you can see here, these are the features of Paleolithic period, that is lower, middle and upper Paleolithic period. Clear? Now, so during this time period in Paleolithic period, the most important thing here is occupation. What was the occupation? Hunting and gathering. Hunting and gathering. Second important thing, people lived in open or in caves. They learned fire. Getting my point? They learned about fire. Clear? And beginning of rock art like Bhimbedka caves. So what are the important sites? Important Paleolithic sites. As you can see here, the map, Paleolithic map, lower Paleolithic, middle and upper. Getting my point? So what are the important sites in Paleolithic period? So important sites are Son Valley, Punjab region. Clear? Bhimbedka caves. MP. Balan Valley, UP. Garo Hills, Northeast. Clear? Hansgi region, Karnataka. Adamgarh Hills, Narmada Valley, MP. Then Lidder River, Lidder, Kashmir. Number of sites are there. Getting my point? Number of sites. Kurnool caves. You can mention Kurnool caves. Brahmagiri in Karnataka. Brahmagiri. Then from Tamil Nadu, Atirampakkam. Tamil Nadu. Clear? Important sites are there. Now, what was the first discovered Paleolithic site? Pallavaram. When Britishers were there in 1861, one British archaeologist, Robert Bruce Foote, he discovered the site Pallavaram in Tamil Nadu. So Pallavaram is considered as first discovered site of Paleolithic period. Now, Paleolithic man used stone tools. What kind of stone? So as we can see that Paleolithic age was spread in all the parts of India. So quartzite was the stone. Quartzite stone. That is why Paleolithic man is also called as quartzite man. Getting my point? Now, by 10,000 BC, now Mesolithic age. 10,000 BC to 8,000. So by 10,000 BC, climate started changing. Climate started changing. Now, if climate started changing, so flora and fauna will also change. Clear? Now, animals started running faster. Animals started running faster. Now, if animals started running faster, then man has to change the strategy to capture the animals, because it was difficult to capture the uh, animal. So, change in tools also. Change in tools. So, man has created, Mesolithic man. Man has created javelin type of tool so that it can throw and capture the animal. क्लियर? तो अब क्या हो गया, अब मुश्किल हो रही है एनिमल को कैच करने में. नाउ तो नेसेसिटी क्या है? नाउ Mesolithic man started domesticating the animals. Getting my point? So Mesolithic man started domestication of animal. Now, what are the sites? Two important sites. Bagor in Rajasthan, Adamgarh, MP. Two important sites. Bagor is also the largest Mesolithic site. Largest Mesolithic site. Getting my point? Now, Mesolithic man started using microliths. See, development आ गया. Micro means small, lith means to stone. That means small stone tools in geometrical shape. Geometrical shape like triangular, square, and a crescent, like this. So uses of geometrical shaped tools. Getting my point? So Mesolithic period जो है, it is a transitional period from Paleolithic to Neolithic. Remember this thing. It is a transitional period. Clear? Now it is said that construction of houses evidences are there, like pit dwelling burials, है ना? Evidence of burials like सराय नहर राय, ये कहां पर है साइट? यूपी. महादहा pit burial, where it is? UP. Getting my point? And Mesolithic man started making handmade pots in the world. Yes. First time handmade potteries. That is in, where is the evidence? Chaupani Mando, UP only. Clear? And the most important thing was Bhimbedka caves. Bhimbedka, MP. Here growth of rock art. Around 1 lakh paintings are there in Bhimbedka which belongs to Mesolithic. As I can show you the painting. You can see here these paintings, Bhimbedka caves. And today Bhimbedka cave is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. These are called as stick type painting. Stick type painting. And people use natural colors like red, brown, green, and they used to obtain red color from animal blood also. Minerals. What was the theme? What are the themes in Bhimbedka cave paintings? Dancing, hunting, डोमेस्टिक वर्क, वॉर। अब एक चीज आपको इसमें पता लगेगी, दैट डांसिंग इन अ ग्रुप विच रिप्रेजेंट्स कम्युनिटी सेंस ऑफ मीसोलिथिक पीपल. In domestic work, only females are shown. In war, hunting, males are shown. This shows what? Division of labor. Females were doing the household chores and males were doing the hunting, riding, all these things. So division of labor used to exist at that time also. Getting my point? So this was the important development in Mesolithic period. Remember this thing. Getting my point? So cave painting became widespread phenomenon here. So that is why Mesolithic period is very important with respect to different things, because there was change in way of life. Getting my point? So important sites कौन-कौन सी है Mesolithic period की? As you can see here, important sites. इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स आर बगोर. बगोर कहां पर है? राजस्थान. अभी मैंने बताया भी था व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो द लार्जेस्ट मीसोलिथिक साइट. क्लियर? यूपी में बहुत सारी साइट्स मिली. चौपानी मांडो है ना, यूपी चौपानी मांडो. देन महादहा. क्लियर? महादहा, सराय नहर राय. क्लियर? एटसेट्रा. वेरियस साइट्स आर देयर, है ना. दमदमा, बहुत सारी साइट्स हैं यूपी से. एमपी भीमबेटका, भीमबेटका केव्स, आदमगढ़, एटसेट्रा. क्लियर? झारखंड. अब झारखंड से कौन सी है? झारखंड छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू. देन गुजरात. गुजरात से कौन सी साइट है? गुजरात से है लांगनाज. एज यू कैन सी हियर, इंपॉर्टेंट साइट लांगनाज. दीज आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स. क्लियर? दीज आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ Mesolithic age. Clear? Now we'll start with Neolithic period. Neolithic age, very important. Now why it is called as Neolithic revolution? It is also called as Neolithic revolution from 8000 BC to 3500 BC. Why it is called as Neolithic revolution? So Neolithic age is called as revolution. It is a term which was coined by Gordon Schilde because of number of important inventions during this period. Like wheel was invented in this period. Clear? Wheel made pottery started. Agriculture was started. Getting my point? Settled life की शुरुआत होती है यहां से. Clear? So let me tell you, Neolithic period. The most important thing, beginning of agriculture. Beginning of agriculture. कौन सी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है? मेहरगढ़. मेहरगढ़, बलूचिस्तान region. It is said that Mehergarh people were the first who started agriculture in Indian subcontinent, like wheat and barley. Getting my point? Mehergarh were the first people who invented cotton. Cotton भी invent किया. Getting my point? And Mehergarh people were the first invented wheel and started making wheel made pottery. This is the importance of Mehergarh in Baluchistan region. तो अब एग्रीकल्चर आएगा तो सेटल्ड लाइफ. इट रिजल्टेड इनटू सेटल्ड लाइफ. रिजल्टेड इनटू सेटल्ड लाइफ. क्लियर? यहां पर स्टोन टूल्स कैसे हैं? पॉलिश्ड, शार्पर स्टोन टूल्स. polished, small, sharper. क्लियर? ऑक्यूपेशन क्या हो जाएगी यहां पर? ऑक्यूपेशन, so the man who was an hunter and gatherer also became food producer due to agriculture. यहां पर इंसान क्या हो गया? फूड प्रोड्यूसर बन गया. क्लियर? कॉटन का डेवलपमेंट, हाउसेज स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये सारी चीजें. तो इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स क्या है? These are the important sites as you can see here. Mehergarh, very important in Indus region. Why it is important? Cotton, invented cotton, agriculture, wheel made potteries. Clear? Barza home in Kashmir. There are two important sites from Kashmir, Barza home and Gufakral. दो इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है कश्मीर से, बर्जा होम एंड गुफकरल. व्हाई? हियर वी गॉट द एविडेंस ऑफ पिट ड्वेलिंग हाउसेस, और यू कैन से अंडरग्राउंड हाउसेस. व्हाई? पॉसिबिलिटी बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेट इन कश्मीर. एंड देयर इज अ कल्चर, डॉग वॉज बरीड विद हिज मास्टर. दैट इज अ कल्चर ऑफ बर्जा होम. क्लियर? देन चिरान फ्रॉम बिहार रीजन. अब चिरान साइट क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? दिस इज द साइट विच स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम नियोलिथिक एंड इट विल बी देयर टिल आयरन एज. कंटिन्यूटी में रहेगी ये साइट. देन कोलदीवा. व्हाई कोलदीवा? कोलदीवा यूपी, फर्स्ट एविडेंस ऑफ राइस कल्टीवेशन. कोलदीवा क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? फर्स्ट एविडेंस ऑफ राइस कल्टीवेशन. क्लियर? पय्यमपल्ली, इंपॉर्टेंट साइट. हल्लूर फ्रॉम कर्नाटका, मस्की, हल्लूर, ब्रह्मगिरी, इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स हैं. पय्यमपल्ली फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु, इंपॉर्टेंट साइट है विद रेस्पेक्ट टू स्टोन एज, विद रेस्पेक्ट टू नियोलिथिक पीरियड. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अब कर्नाटका, अब यहां से हमें क्या मिला? हल्लूर हो गया, ब्रह्मगिरी. फ्रॉम कर्नाटका वी गॉट द एविडेंस किस चीज का? डोमेस्टिकेशन of sheep and goats. Clear? Now which site was from northeast? Assam, Daujali heading. Assam से कौन सी साइट है? Daujali. I will write here Daujali heading. Daujali heading site from Assam. So we can see that even Neolithic site was spread all over India. Is there any evidence of painting? Yes, Belan Valley, UP. Neolithic में पेंटिंग का एविडेंस कहां से आ रहा है? पेंटिंग, केव पेंटिंग, बेलन वैली, यूपी. Clear everyone? So Neolithic period started agriculture and it created a background for the future civilization called as Indus Valley civilization. This is all about Stone Age. I hope this much is clear to all of you. आपके concepts clear हो गए होंगे. Clear? So thank you so much.